Okay, remember what I told you. Be your own boss. Love yourself. Level up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Noah Shannon, say it with your chest, he wants all the smoke. Smith going to work, stops on a dime, that mid-range, got under and scoop layup, Sidney Smith. Pretty play right there for Sidney Smith. Daly driving to the rim, now picks up her dribble, Daly dumps it off and a Daly dime right there. Trying to get it to Corbett, strong hands, goes up and count the deuce. Ellie Corbett says, give me that, thank you very much, and I'll score this off the windows. Back to work, Brush, catch and shoot triple, you bet! Ryan Brush, hand down, man down. Gillion quick twitched right back out to Shannon, catch and shoot triple, and he can do it all. Noah Shannon says, why not let it fly? A little Irish Spring green for the big fella, Noah Shannon. Kluse going to work. Gillion got his hand in the cookie jar and poked it loose. Now Meyer, full head of steam, dumps it off. Gillion, Euro step! Gillion packed his bags and brought his passport. Ellison ahead in the count 0-1, comes back at her with an off-speed. Holland drives that one to left center. Take a good look, you're not gonna see that one for long. Kalia Holland, a 3-run jack. And the Scots are pouring it on here in game 2. Peacock looking for the walk-off. Cardinals looking to stay put. Peacock, big rip, goes the other way with it, and that's the ball game. Scots walk it off for the second day in a row. This time, Peacock's the hero. He's mobbed over there at second base, and the Scots take game 1.
Hansen back to Savoy. Savoy escapes. Now Hansen's got some room to run down the near side sideline. Hansen's still on the way, cuts it back, steps over the ball, and now finds some space. She's going to dish it across. Nui van Savog scores! 3-0!
USA Water Polo Division III at Tournament Championships will be hosted by the SCIAC Tournament Champion. Whitecaps for McAllister as they maintain possession, spin, and score. Lorelei Bell has a hat trick for the Scots.
Self now in the backfield, so he will be throwing. He scrambles to his right. The throw is...
Oh, he got it! He got it!
McAllister with a takeaway. That is Jude Wallen, senior defensive back.
Oh, Jude!
Old Horn Thornton with a monster pullout. And Izzy 104.66. Emma 106.18.
Good recovery to just keep that one alive, and OG! Point Scots.
Palmer, Kent. Now Palmer over midfield and finds his man on the far side, cutting inside, and again, whips it inside for France, and he scores! And the Scots retake the lead off the feet of Chris France, his fourth.
Here comes the 0-2 again. On the ground, over to Peacock. Picks it on a hop. The throw to first. Let the cowbells ring in St. Paul because the McAllister Scots are back on top of the MIAC.